So here's the video. Your whole abandoned road is 40 miles. That's the length. We don't know this part where we're trying to figure out just this length of the triangle. So whenever you have a right triangle and you're trying to find the length of a missing side, we use Pythagorean's theorem. And this side is x. We don't know. That side is 10. Since this is the hypotenuse, the one right across from the right angle, that's what the C value is. So it costs you $100,000 for the abandoned part of the road. So that's our 40 minus x. It costs us $200,000 for the new part of the road, and that's why we had to find this piece with Pythagorean's theorem first. It equals our 6.8 million. Once we distribute the 100,000 here and here, you end up with 4 million. So when we try to move this to the other side, your 6.8 million minus that 4 million leaves you with 2.8 million. And then you move your $100,000, 100,000 x over. So here you're left with this 200,000. And the example in the book, they say leave it there and just square both of it. But if you divide both sides by that 200,000 first, 2.8 million divided by 200,000 is 14. And 100,000 x divided by 200,000 leaves you with 1/2 x. So that's how your numbers get smaller and you don't have to worry about it. So then you square both sides. You see it's quadratic. You set it equal to 0. There's your A, your B, and your C. Plug it all in. You can't use a negative value because we're talking about a distance, and we end up with 24. So the question asks you, what is the length of the unpaved road? It's going to be 40 minus x, and we found x to be 24. So the length of the road is 16. And then the second part of the question asks, is it cheaper to just do a straight shot? So if we go straight from Grimley to the other city, you have a right triangle again. Your length is 40 and your height is 10. So you square both of those, you solve for the hypotenuse. So your distance between the two cities is square root of 1700. So since your whole entire road is new, it's 200,000 times that distance to give you 8.2 million.